Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest number that 108 must be multiplied with to get a perfect square? Now, we can observe that this 108 can be represented as 4 into 27. This 4 is the square of 2. Okay, and this 27 is the cube of 3. So this is 2 square into 3 square into 3. So this is 4 into 9. It means 36 into 3, and that 36 is the perfect square. Okay, 36 is the perfect square of 6. Okay, hence 3 must be multiplied to 108 to make a perfect square. Okay.